Hey lovelies, what's up? Wagwan, I hope you are fine. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be doing an updo hairstyle on my 4C natural hair with this hair extension that I purchased from Amazon. It is called the Retro Puff and I purchased it in the shade number 2. Now guys, I am starting out on freshly washed hair. I didn't apply any heat to it, and I also just applied some of my essential oils, and that was it. What I'm doing right now guys is just to take out a small section of hair at the front, and the aim of course is to part it into 2 equal parts. And as you can see, I'm just using my nose as a guide because your girl isn't good at parting. So yeah. As I'm taking out these equal parts, I'm going to make like an ear to ear part. And of course, after parting my hair, I'm going to use a hair tie to separate each parted section. So I'll be separating the 2 equal parts at the front, and likewise I'll be separating the back. Holding on to a feeling so strong. Alright, so now I'm just moisturizing my hair with some water, and best believe it guys, like if you want your hair to be easily detangled, then just try the water. Alright, try it, it's the best thing ever. Now that I've moisturized that section of my hair, as you can see, I am taking out a smaller unit, and I was just trying my best to make it as straight as possible. After I'm through with that, I'm going to go ahead and just apply some Eco Gel to that section, and then I'm just going to flat twist it going back. Okay guys, so after flat twisting each section, I'll just be twisting out the ends. I'll be repeating the steps, right? So I'll be parting a small section of hair first, and then I'll be flat twisting it. Also guys, I wanted to let you know that as it relates to how I part my hair, I kind of part it in a slantish way, but as the video plays out, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I also wanted to let you guys know that just because I'm using Eco Gel, you know, you certainly don't have to use this. You could use hair wax, or, you know, just use something that will just make your hair look neater, if that makes sense. Okay, beautiful people, so now that I've flat twisted the left side of my hair, as you can see, I just group some together, and then I'm going to take the elastic band and just wrap the end. Alright, so I'll be grouping some together, and then I'll be taking the elastic band, you know, just to put everything, or to hold everything together. Alright, so now I'm on the right side, and I'll just be repeating the same thing that I did on the left side of my hair, right? So the good thing is that because I did the left side first, I can just use that as a guide to part the right side, if that makes sense.
I'm here on my own, a long way from home. It's where I belong.
Now that the front is finished, as you can see there, I'm just moisturizing the back of my hair, and then I'm going to just put it in a ponytail. And of course, to put it in a ponytail, you know, I have to detangle it first. I have to apply gel, I'm going to apply wax, and then of course I'm going to be putting the front in the ponytail, if that makes sense. But like I always say, as the video plays out, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And of course, you know, I can't leave out the scarf. Okay, I can't leave out the scarf because trust me, when you use the scarf, you'll see a big difference. Like your hair will look so much neater. All right. So as the scarf is on my hair, of course, I'm just, you know, taking out the puff and I'm just gonna play with it a little bit, and then I'm going to take off the scarf, and then, you know, I'm just going to apply the puffy. Yeah, why did I say puffy? But okay. Just a tip, guys, as it relates to the string that is attached to the puff, what I normally do is just to bring it around to the other side or whichever side. But the key thing that I do is to use a bobby pin, you know, just to secure it in place. That's just me doing a little something to my edges. Really and truly, I don't do baby hair like that, hence why I say I do a little something. All right. But yeah, guys, this is it. This wraps up the hair tutorial. I really hope that you like it, and I really hope that this tutorial was really and truly beneficial. All right, so that's just the hair. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't. Let me know what you would actually do differently. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.